Is your iPad not connecting to Wi-Fi or keeps disconnecting randomly? That's super frustrating, especially when everything else seems to be working fine. But don't worry, in this guide, I will show you quick and easy fixes to get your iPad Wi-Fi working once again. If your iPad won't connect to Wi-Fi, shows no internet or keeps dropping signal, the issue is usually caused by network glitches, incorrect settings, router problems, or software bugs. Let's fix it step by step. Start with the simplest fix. Toggle Wi-Fi and airplane mode on and off. To do this, open the settings app, tap on Wi-Fi, turn it off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Now from the side pane, turn on the airplane mode on, wait a few seconds and turn it off. This refreshes your network connection. Forgetting and reconnecting to Wi-Fi can also help. If your network isn't working properly, open the settings app, tap on Wi-Fi, then tap on the eye icon next to your network's name. Here, tap on the Forget This Network button. After some time, reconnect by entering your password again. This fixes incorrect or corrupted network settings. You can also fix Wi-Fi not working on iPad by restarting it. A simple restart can solve many issues, including Wi-Fi not working. To restart your iPad, press and hold the power button and the volume up or down button simultaneously, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Sometimes the issue isn't your iPad but your router. Restart your Wi-Fi router, move closer to the router and try connecting other devices to your router. If other devices also fail, your router is the problem. If nothing has worked so far, try resetting network settings on your iPad. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General. Here tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset and finally tap on Reset Network Settings. This will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords but often fixes stubborn issues. Turn off Wi-Fi Assist if it is enabled. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on Cellular, then tap on Wi-Fi Assist and finally turn it off. This prevents switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data unexpectedly if you have a cellular iPad. Incorrect time can also break internet connections. To fix it, open the Settings app, tap on General, here tap on Date and Time and enable Set Automatically. If you're using a VPN on your iPad, turn it off and see if this solves the problem. You can turn it off from VPN's app or go to Settings, tap on VPN and turn it off. Software bugs can also cause Wi-Fi issues on your device. You can fix this by updating your iPad to the latest version of iPadOS. Just open Settings, tap on General, then tap on Software Update and install the latest version of iOS that is available. If nothing has worked so far, try resetting all settings on your iPad. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Here tap on Reset and finally tap on Reset All Settings. This doesn't delete data but resets system settings. If your iPad still won't connect, there might be a hardware issue such as Wi-Fi antenna or internal damage. In that case, visit an Apple store or an authorized service center. So these are the best ways to fix Wi-Fi issues on your iPad. In most cases, one of these methods should get you back online quickly. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out more iPhone and iPad tips. Thanks for watching.